Building is more of thinking about what use cases customer or business really believe in getting some value, right? But how to build faster in a gigantic organization, right? A huge organization which has lots of domains. You have lot of departments, right? And each department talks to each other, right? Let's take example of this, right? You have an HR department, you have a software engineering department, you have the analytics department, you have security department, all of these people, right? Every piece of this puzzle basically brings in a lot of metadata which you need to absorb. Now, let's say I want to build an application, I want to bring it to the market, which we call it as time to market, and the time to market should be very low. That can only happen if you have got check off or signed off on everything which is a characteristics of that application to truly go and sit into the market, right? Now, but today it takes some time, right? It always takes some time because you have to ensure that you pass through the intelligence whichever is there in each department to be put in, evaluated, and then you eventually get something done. So what I'm trying to tell here is that there are several divisions where you want to understand the data and the availability of services so that what you build is an orchestrated solution. At that point of time, the basic thing you need to do is you need to go and talk to different divisions, different departments. The basic thing you need to do is you need to you understand what interfaces each department has. The other basic things is that you need to ensure that the people who are building this, which are application developers or AI developers or software engineers, right, they are able to translate what they have understood into code or into a solution, right? Basically, there is a lot of chaos when you are trying to really deal with a big solution, and we want to get into a situation where we want to convert chaos to clarity, and that is what this use case study is all about, right? So but that is basically streamlining access, understanding, and collaboration across domains. Now, what are the various questions to ask before we see the real output of the case study? How much time development teams take to understand complex data or metadata? It's a very important question to ask, right? Does anyone know how much time your team takes? It's variable, right? But that is the biggest thing which they go through when they are trying to think about a solution, right? Similarly, how much time development team takes to architect a decision record? Hey, this is the final decision and this is the architecture, let's sign off on this thing. They take a lot of time. Similarly, there are other questions like how much time your team takes to collaborate with other domains or application teams or for various integrations, or what is the cost of writing a project requirement document by product owner, or even how efficient is the program management which works across tens of teams to build critical interrelated business deliverables. These all are the things you go through as a senior leader, right? Because you have to deal with all these roles. Now, important thing is that these all takes time.